Day 4, and I think we have still many more to go. At least she don't go toilet every 2 minutes. Yes, Malinka? She's pouring. Oh my god, she's enjoying to stay here, but she will not enjoy once she see the pills. Yeah, I hate to do this. But we need, yes, my little one. Yes. Who didn't know, there is a special things like that to give for a cat a pill. You put a pill in here, and once it's in the mouth, you just drop it inside of the throat. I hate to do this. Okay, Malinka, let's go. Come on. I know. Wait. Malinka, come on. Come on. No. Bitch. Ah, yeah, Malinka is getting wet. That's the problem, and it's sticky after. Okay? Good girl. I feel so bad to do this. Malinka, if you want to get better, you need to take the pill. Okay, straight to the throat. No. Stop. Wait. She put it down! Guys, she put it down. That's all. I'm done with it.